Welcome to my video. Today, we're going to take a look at the logging industry, from the giant machines to the cutting-edge technology. It's going to be an impressive and inspiring journey, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming next. Let's get started. Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. In a vast forest covered by white snow, the log set TH-65, equipped with the powerful Komatsu, moves gracefully through the frozen landscape. Its robotic arm extends to precisely fell massive spruce trees. The machine's wheels leave a distinctive trail in the snow as it effortlessly cuts through the wilderness. The Rotten F-13B machine, with its cutting-edge design and immense power, efficiently harvests massive logs. Its robotic arm lifts the heavy timber from the snowy ground, showcasing raw strength and precision in the midst of the winter wilderness. A worker in full protective gear, wearing a helmet, uses the steel MS-660 chainsaw to cut down towering ash trees in the snowy landscape. Snowflakes gently fall around them, adding to the challenging conditions, but the worker persists with determination. A heavy-duty timber winch pulls massive logs through the forest using robust cables. Its colossal wheels effortlessly roll over the deep snow, illustrating the industrial might of modern logging machines in the harsh winter cold. The Komatsu 895 is overturned while working in the snowy forest, a tense moment in the midst of the operation. Workers rush to assist with another logging machine nearby, skillfully and swiftly righting the machine, showcasing both the risks and quick responses in the field. Wearing helmets and wielding large chainsaws, workers carefully fell hazardous trees that were knocked down by a forest fire. The charred remains of the trees and the smoke still lingering in the air create a dramatic and dangerous scene. The Komatsu 911CX C93 Clearfell operates efficiently in the snow-covered winter forest. With its powerful cutting capability, it swiftly processes tree after tree, leaving a neat pile of timber in its wake, exemplifying the speed and efficiency of modern forestry machinery. In the aftermath of a powerful storm, workers in protective gear cut through fallen trees with the Howard Chainsaw Husqvarna 560 XP. Snow continues to fall, and the cold wind adds to the difficulty of the task, but the workers push through the challenging conditions. The John Deere Shin 450 HP is grinding massive logs into wood chips in the winter forest. Tiny wood fragments fly through the air, creating a powerful and efficient scene of modern forestry processing at work. The John Deere 7700 with Levisecond Elitari drills into large tree stumps, preparing the land for future regeneration. The machine's robust performance is on full display in the cold, snowy winter forest. The Easton-made 60C processor with its circular saw is slicing through logs and splitting them into smaller pieces. In the snowy forest, the machine's relentless power drives it through the timber, efficiently processing it for further use. Inside the woodworking shop, the Woodmiser LT70 sawmill operates with precision, cutting massive oak logs into smooth planks. Skilled woodworkers meticulously transform natural timber into finely crafted products. In the snow-covered forest, a wood chipper is shredding logs into fine wood chips. With each pass, tiny wood particles are propelled into the chilly winter air, adding to the relentless activity of the logging operation. The Peterbilt Logging 359 classic truck, loaded with massive logs, navigates the snow-covered hillside road. Its powerful wheels grip the snowy terrain as it makes its way to the processing facility, completing the timber's journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the synthetic timber industry today. From powerful machines to cutting-edge technology and passionate people. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue exploring this powerful world. See you in the next videos.